Want to capture dynamic motion-lapse videos with your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, 2, or 1? After watching this video, you can make your footage look cinematic in no time. In this video, I'll show you how to set up and record in Motionlapse. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, choose your location, then mount the camera and solid tripod. First, turn on the camera. Now look at the bottom left corner. Here you'll see an icon that represents the current shooting mode. If you're in photo mode, it will look like a camera, or if you're in video mode, then it will look like a video camera icon. So tap on this icon to bring up the shooting mode menu. Here you'll see the menu with all the shooting modes. Scroll to the right through the list until you find Timelapse option. Now tap on this to switch to this mode. Now swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Here select Motionlapse instead of Timelapse. Now select the start and end point like LTR, RTL, or custom. LTR means left to right and RTL means right to left. For example, select LTR, then swipe up to set the duration and interval. Now set the interval. How often the Pocket 3 captures a frame like 2, 3, or 4 seconds. Then select how long do you want to capture motion lapse for, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, etc. Now press the record button. Then it will move the gimbal smoothly from start to end point and capture frames automatically at the set interval. After recording, the frames are compiled into a time-lapse video with motion. And that's it. This is how you can record a motion-lapse video with your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, 2, or 1. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.